Hey guys, it's Kimmy and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please take a second to hit that subscribe button, and if you have already done that, thank you so much. It means a lot to me knowing that there are real humans out there enjoying my content. So let's talk gifts. Holidays, gift giving. I think everything is going to be looking a little bit different this year for most, if not all of us. That's to be expected. Let's take it in stride as much as we can. I know it's going to be hard for a lot of people. It's going to be harder for some people. I am in a great situation myself. Most of my family is here with me, so I can't complain. Let's try and do what we can this year and focus more on the feeling, what we want to give, and how we want to portray that. So today I want to talk to you guys about gifts. I want to share with you my idea of 5 perfect gifts for your boyfriend, husband, or partner. I have chosen 5 of the gifts that I'm actually going to be giving to my man, and these are things that I'm thinking that he's really going to enjoy, and just something that I thought I would share with you guys in case you're looking for ideas. So what I've done out of the 5 gifts is chosen something he needs, something that he wants, something to read, and then something just a surprise, exciting gift, and something that I've chosen for him. So I have the 5 gifts in front of me here, so why don't we just get right into it. The first thing that I chose for him is something that he requested, and it is 2 things actually that go together. So the first thing that I got for him is this lavender sleep lotion. He has trouble sleeping, so he requested lavender scented things, and I figured what better way to just immerse yourself in lavender than with a lotion right before you get into bed. So coupled with that, I also got him this Bath & Body Works lavender and vanilla pillow spray. It has natural essential oils in it, and I think that he's going to really enjoy these and enjoy his lavender scented bedtime. That will hopefully help him sleep a little bit better. So that's gift number 1, and that is the something special that I've chosen for him, the added thing. So let's get into something that he wants. So this is a trio of face cleansers that I bought from Amazon. It is Kiehl's. I've never actually used Kiehl's on myself, but I've heard really good things about them. And this is something that he's been asking for, skincare, nightly moisturizers and stuff, that I just haven't really, I guess, jumped off the deep end into choosing what I feel like he needs. So I thought if I got him a little pack that he can, you know, try some things out and then let me know what he feels is lacking in this, and then I can sort of curate a better skincare pack for him. This was something he wants that I think that he'll like, not something he needs. So let's move on to something that he needs, which, ladies, a new pair of gray sweatpants. This is a gift for both of us. He's been in need of new sweatpants for a little while, so I went out and I grabbed these Puma ones, and I'm hoping that they will do the trick for him. I'm hoping that he can get rid of some of his older pairs of track pants that he no longer, that are gross. So that's something that I feel like he needs. Next, this is a really random kind of a gift, but I think it's something that anybody can get for their partner, and that is something to read, which is, I chose out something that is nostalgic for him that he used to read as a child. I thought that getting him something to read that will remind him of his childhood. This is the first 3 Hardy Boys books all wrapped into one here. And I got this secondhand for $10. $10 for a trio of Hardy Boys books. And I just think that this will be something that he will enjoy, that will bring him back to his childhood. And you know what, if he doesn't like it, he has a little boy who I probably will try and get into the Hardy Boys series. So that's something for him to read. Let's move on to something that, something he wants, something he needs, something to read. What's the other thing? Something to learn from? Well, help. Comment below, what's number 4? The last and final thing that I got for him in these 5 perfect gifts for your boyfriend, husband, or partner is some hard-soled, leather-topped slippers. This is entirely a selfish gift. He already has slippers at his house, but at my house, he often needs slippers to take out the garbage or the recycling, or, you know, run to his car to get something that he forgot. So this was a request by him. I found these online. I think I found them on Amazon for $20 or less. Like, I think they were actually closer to 15. They're nice and furry inside, and like I said, they've got the leather or some sort of a water resistant upper here, and I think that these will be absolutely perfect for him. Great inexpensive gift. You could even throw these in the stocking, although they may not fit, but beside the stocking. That concludes 5 perfect gifts for your boyfriend, husband, or partner chosen by me. They are including something he wants, something he needs, something to read, and the 4th category, which I don't remember, and then just like a surprise gift by me. So if you remember that 4th category, comment below and let me know, and I'll do another video. 5 gifts for... Who should I do a 5 gifts for video? Comment below. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I put out new videos whenever I want to and whenever my editor wants to edit videos. Okay, send him some love. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Oh, and happy holidays.